Easy ways on how to fight arthritis. Did you know that evidence of arthritis has been discovered in dinosaurs? While this fact may not make your elderly parent feel much better about their condition, there are plenty of helpful tips and tricks in this video. If you would like to know more about arthritis and ways that you can ease the effects, then watch this video. Arthritis is becoming more and more common. If you notice that you have pain, swelling, or stiffness around your joints, it is important that you see your doctor right away. This could be a sign of arthritis, and if that is the case, you want treatment to begin as soon as possible. Make sure, you also, ask your doctor what kind of arthritis it is. This will be helpful when getting the proper treatment. Low-impact exercises are great for easing some of the pain in your joints, especially pain caused by arthritis. If you are unsure whether exercise is okay for you, talk to a doctor first. Watch out for comorbid condition, especially depression. Arthritis and depression can lock you into a feedback loop. You're tired and in pain, so you can't do the things you love, which makes you more upset. Being upset then leads to symptom flare-ups. If you think you are depressed, speak with your doctor about a referral to a psychiatrist. If you are having a hard time getting rest because of arthritis, take a hot bath with some bath salts. This can relax your muscles and alleviate the arthritis pain. This, in turn, allows you to fall asleep and remain asleep for a longer time. In conclusion, you have learned not only that arthritis has been affecting living beings, much longer than recorded history, but you also picked up a few ways that you can make it easier for you or your loved ones to live with the condition. Hopefully, you can start using this today and live a happier life. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.